Yeah, my name is Navya. I'm from Chittoor district. I'm
Mm-hmm.
recently graduated student from BTech Triple from the College of Arjugate RK Valley.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So let's get started with data analytics course. Okay. Okay. Let me
Okay.
ask you a question. Why you want to learn data analytics? What do you know about this course? May I know, please?
Yeah, yeah. I don't have that much of idea on it.
Okay, so somebody tells you that, okay, this is the course you should do. Is that like that? Okay, so let me make you understand why you shouldn't, go for the data analytics. Okay, so in this today's demo session, you will understand, like from scratch, okay, what is data
Okay.
analytics and how practicals can be done, the career perspective, we will have discussion. Okay, all right.
Okay.
So
Okay.
first of all, I welcome you to the demo session. Good afternoon, everyone. And so this session is on data analytics. So we all know that we live in a world which is driven by data, right? Everywhere you see there is a data. Okay, so you go to if
Okay.
you want to watch a movie or listen to a song. So what is it? It's a image data, it's a audio data, it's a video data. You WhatsApp every day. It's again text data, audio data, right? Everywhere. So every click, swipe, and transaction generates valuable information, right? But data
Yes.
alone is just noise. Means what? There is a data you keep everything in single folder, images, videos, audios, everything, your text files, your notes, your study material, everything in one folder. That's just a mess. That is called noise. Means data alone is just noise. Data analytics is what turns it into insight and action meaningful. Okay, so we need to organize the data, right? So today I will show you how learning data analytics can open doors to exciting careers and smarter decisions. Okay,
Okay.
so data analytics is, this course is suitable for both beginners and working professionals. Okay, so
Okay.
it's divided into well organized modules covering tools, techniques, projects, and career guidance as well at the end. Okay,
Okay.
so what is data analytics? Data analytics is the process of examining data to find useful patterns and insights. It helps in making smart data driven decisions. By using tools like Excel, SQL, or Python, we can clean, analyze, and visualize data to solve problems and improve business performance. Let me explain you. Let's say you are working in one organization, okay, which sells
Okay.
products, right? And your job is to, manage the data, like what you want to report to your superiors that what is the total sale, today's sale, weekly sale and monthly sale and yearly sale. Okay, and based on, see why superiors needs these data from you, because they want to understand how the business is going on. Are you making profits? Are you going in loss? What strategies we need to build in order to increase the business, right?
Yes.
So we need to so for that, we buy softwares like Excel. We put data into the Excel. Then if they we have employees working in our organization, then we keep their records as well, right, in the Excel database. It's a data sheet actually, not database. But whatever, if you keep the information and well organized manner, and even a simple notepad file can be called as a database also. So Excel with the few formulas, you use it, you apply some formulas to the columns and to the rows, to the tables, Then what happens? You get meaningful information within no time. Meaning Meaning, let's say you want to calculate what is the total salary that is given to the employees of the organization. Okay. And total salary given to the employees. That is what you've been asked to do. Then you will just go to the salary sheet. Okay. There you can just, write the formula, write it like equal to sum and select all the cells from the Excel and hit enter key and you will get the total, and which is done in within 2 to 3 seconds only. All right. So you can visualize the data also, like in the graph, bar chart, line graph, and you can check the business performance. Okay. And you can make the strategies to improve business performance. Okay. So data analytics, it helps business to grow. Companies use data analytics to understand customers, improve products, and increase sales. It involves tools and techniques. Tools like Excel, SQL. SQL is a database where you can fire the queries and you get the data from the database. Banking sectors, and schools, colleges, and hospitals, they use SQL databases. Okay. And Python programming. We can use the Python programming to organize and analyze and visualize the data as well. Okay. So
Okay.
there is a high demand skill. Data analytics is one of the most in demand skills across industries like finance, healthcare, retail, and IT. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's see the learning goal. Okay. So this syllabus, it covers a wide range of topics, provide a solid foundation in automation testing. Depending on your learning goals and requirements, we can adjust the depth and order of topics accordingly. So, data analytics need. Okay, why we should learn data analytics? First point is better decision making. It helps organizations make smart database decisions instead of relying on guesswork. Okay, then identify problems early. Analytics can detect issues in sales, operations, or customer service before they grow big, right? Then understand customer behavior. Okay, it shows what customers like, buy, or avoid, and helping businesses serve them better, right? Then next point is save time and money. By analyzing trends and performance, companies can reduce cost and improve efficiency. Then predict future trends. Data analytics helps forecast demand, market shift, and customer needs to stay ahead of the competition. Let's discuss about the syllabus. Okay. So
Okay.
this is the structured syllabus for data analytics. Main key points are shown here. First is introduction to data analytics. Okay. Then Excel for data analysis. Here, beginner to advanced, all the Excel, topics will be covered. Then SQL topics will be covered here. Few sessions on the SQL topics like SQL for data analytics. Then Python programming from basics to advanced, and Python libraries will be, explained here. Python for data analysis. Data cleaning, how to clean the data and pre-processing it. Data visualization and dashboarding. Statistics for data analytics. Exploratory data analysis, EDA, that's called. Then real-time projects. Okay. Then career preparation. Okay. So
Okay.
how you can prepare, for the interviews and everything will be discussed. Let's understand the fundamental concept. Learn the basics of data, meaning understand what data is. Its types, meaning it is a structured data, unstructured data. See, depending on the data, you decide your database. Structured data or it's unstructured data. So data is of two types, structured and unstructured. Unstructured meaning images, videos, okay, audio. These are unstructured data. Structured means what? Like there is a semi-structured and structured. Like user info, employee details, student details. Okay, these are like structured data. Okay, that goes in the databases. We use SQL for that. Okay, and how the data is collected and stored. Okay, then you can know the analytics process. You will be familiar with steps like data collection, cleaning the data. See, if you what is the next step for this? If you don't clean the data, no, then your robots or your machine won't understand the data clearly. Meaning, nowadays it's a AI world, so they need the accurate data, they need the clean data. Okay, because your nowadays machines are self-learning machines, meaning if the data is accurate, they will learn better. Okay, if the data is not accurate, they will not predict the good results. Okay, so we need data collection, data analysis, data cleaning, and visualization to solve the real world problems. For that, we need to understand this point. Okay, learn
Okay.
how to sum, sort, filter, and summarize the data. Let's say you've been given a task, like there is a Excel file is given where it's a sales data. Okay, so that file name is probably sample file. Okay, so the columns would be date, product, category, amount, and region. Okay, product, what product you are selling. Okay, then what is the category and the amount and the region, in what region you are selling that product. Okay, so you can sort the data by amount to see the highest and to lowest. Okay, how to do that? Then you can filter the data by region, like categorize. Okay, group together all the products that has been you know uh, that has been sold actually in that particular region, and calculate the total and everything. And then you can increase the sales in that region if you are not selling the good number of amount of products in that region. So that decisions you can make after you analyze the data. Okay, create pivot table to summarize total sales by product. You can insert a chart, okay, like bar chart or pie chart to visualize sales by category. So you will see how simple data can be turned into useful insights using basic Excel tools. So what I can do, I can give you one short practice around this. So let me share my screen to you. There is a sample Excel file is there. Okay, and I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so this is the sample sales file. So what if I want to sort this, you know, I can sort it by A to Z. Okay, if it's a name, and if I want to calculate the total for this, I just click this cell equal to, write the formula sum. Okay, and press enter key. Now you see the total is calculated. Okay, so there will be several such formulas are there. Okay, okay, and you can also plot some graphs here. You can group the regions also. Okay, you can group by colors also, color codes also. Okay, so that's just short and simple practical. With the help of Excel, you can do a lot. And many companies now, even they rely, their all work, it is relied on the Excel only. Okay, so now let's switch back to the presentation. Okay, so let's go back to the presentation. So now see, what are the steps that we are performing here? We open the Excel file, the view columns. Okay, then we sort the amount column. Then we apply filter region or filter on region column. Then we create a pivot table. So these are like actions we'll be seeing in our live sessions. So you'll be given one task and what operations you'll be performing on the during that practical, it will be given to you. So I before the session only you will come to know, okay, what you are going to learn in that session. So next is Python. Okay, so practical. This is coding practical. So you learn how to read and analyze and summarize a data set using Python and pandas. So basically, you are going to import the pandas. See, in order to do analysis or read, in order to clean the data, you need some Python libraries. So first thing first, you import the pandas library. Okay, then you load the Excel file, and this is the code for it. Then you display the first few rows, df.head. Okay, then total sales amount. I want to know the total. So just calculate the sum with the sum function, and then sales by reason. So you can group together. Df.group by. Group by is a function which will group the related, like same reason, and the total will be displayed here. Okay, what is the total sale region wise? It will be displayed. Sales by product. So how many laptops you sold? Okay, it doesn't matter what reason it is. So group by product is there. So and then you visualize. Okay, so like product. Okay, versus total sales. In plot it, this is a bar graph, and there will be plot after. See, this is a bar chart actually, and it will clearly tell you what is the total sale, per product. So you can in this learn, see, you can learn in this is how to load Excel file, how to summarize data using group by, and how to create basic visualizations with matplotlib library. So there are many other libraries, besides matplotlib. Let's discuss growing demand. Data analytics is growing fast as companies collect more data from websites, applications, customer interactions. They need skilled professionals to analyze this data and find useful patterns. This helps them make smart decisions and improve performance. As a result, the demand for data analysis is rising across industries like finance, healthcare, and retail. More companies are hiring to stay competitive in a data driven world. So, this makes data analytics a strong and future ready career choice. So, overall, data analytics is the process of examining data. Okay, it's everything about data, how to organize, process, okay, and find a meaningful information that will help business make better decisions. So you can use tools like Excel, SQL, Python, okay, and analysts can clean and analyze the data and visualize the data to understand the trends and patterns. As more companies rely on data, the demand for skilled analysts continues to grow. So this makes data analytics a valuable and future-proof career choice. So that was all. If you have any questions, you can ask the questions now.
So
Do you have any
Power BI
questions?
is also
Yeah, yeah, Power
included
BI is
in.
also there. Yes, it is included. So syllabus, it will be given to you. Don't you worry about that. Okay. And all the points from the syllabus, everything will be covered point by point. Before the session, you will know what you are learning. Weekly plan will be given to you. Okay. And after the session, you will be given the notes and assignments. And the MCQ questions. Every session, after every session, there will be MCQ test.
Okay.
Okay.
So if a person want to learn this data analyst course, how many days it will take usually?
It's around 50 hours required.
Okay.
So if you calculate, like if you join 5 days a week, then 2.5 months required.
Okay.
Okay, let's consider 3 months.
Okay.
Hmm. So now is it clear to you that why you should learn data analytics?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are there any questions?
No.
Okay. There will be interview preparation at the end also. Okay. So how you should answer questions in the interview. There will be few
Okay.
sessions on that also. Okay.
So is there any aptitude classes also included in this, or only this classes only, data analyst classes only?
See, what you will get is the brief explanation of everything, all the points, and some practicals will be given to you, notes will be given to you, MCQ test will be there, interview preparations would be there. And we are connected with the IT company, so if there are job openings, we know the job openings, so we'll be giving you the job openings also. Like there is job opening here and there, you have to forward the resume there, and you can try your luck in the company. Okay.
Okay.
So for that, you need to be a skilled person, okay, before you apply for the jobs, okay. You need to
Okay.
give yourself 3 months time to understand, learn data analytics.
Yes.
So okay, that's it then. So you got everything what you needed, okay, through
Okay.
this demo session. And I hope you make a decision quickly, and we can bind the session as early as possible. Okay, just